Hello and welcome to Pointer. So today we're going to explore projects, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new basic project. I give it a name like my new, new project. All right, give it a location and hit OK. And now we have a new project. The new project starts with the same old familiar template, which has library SVGR, tidyverse, a WH, a pointer list, and an SVGR call. No big deal, but, and this isn't designed to get you started, but what we can also have is something that's a little bit more helpful. For example, if I want to make my silly chart, hit OK. It starts a new project, but now it has a silly chart. My silly chart right here. It says my silly chart.project, and there you have it. Okay, what can this do? Well, if I look at my README, it tells me that building a reactive chart, that's what this is supposed to do, define the position of the shapes, add pairs of points for each tibble, instantiate a given shape, drag and drop a snippet, supply the tibble to that shape, and commit to update the drawing. So it's something relatively simple. The description isn't the best in the world, and I'm sure that you can fix the spelling, but let's get back to the thing at hand. All right, let's create a couple of points. Okay, I'm at a block, so let's make this a block. And then what I want to do is I want to have a block. Okay, let's put in block. Okay, pointer dollar block. Do we have a block? Oh yeah, we do. And so I'm going to pmap pointer dollar block, and with block. Okay, what is block? Well, block is in the devil objects. So first let's commit this. I see my block, and I'm going to go over and I'm going to do file, open file, and I notice that in my project has been included this devil objects, and inside the devil objects is something probably called a block somewhere. There it is. And a block is just merely a element, or compound I should say, that gives you a points, a fill, and some other stuff, and you can do something with the block. Okay, let's go back over here and let's create something else. I want to have an input, and inputs look like this: reactive source, I don't want that to be a block, so let's undo that. Okay, Control Z. Select source first, now reactive source, and now I come over here and I put in a reactive source, and we do a commit, and we have a reactive source. If I want another reactive source, I can get another one like that, and another one like that. Okay, And we can label these things and all sorts of stuff. Let's say that I want a reactive expression. Okay, let's go over to expression, and let's put in a reactive expression here. And then I'm going to put go like this, reactive expression, commit, and we have a reactive expression. Then what I would like, we can make another one if you like. What I would like is I would like to have an observer. So let's put in our observer. And the observer is like there. Reactive observer. Drag and drop. And commit. And we have a reactive observer. Now we need some arrows that go in between these. And so I'm going to get some arrows. Okay, I want an arrow that goes from here to here, here, and here. And let's move this guy up. Okay, just for the sake of argument, let's get this reactive arrow. Comma. And let's drag our arrow down and do a commit. Now, I can't, in order to see this a little bit better, you can go over here. Let's go back to the arrows and let's move this up a little and move this over here. I might even want to move my, expression over a little bit. So let's take that expression, go to the matrix, and move mode. Click, get this one, and move it over a little. Okay, now I can go back to my arrow, and I can put the go to the point mode and do my arrow like that. Okay, and I might want to have another reactive arrow. So what do? I need to go back to, I'm in the point mode. Whoops. Control Z. Apple Z. Apple Z. Commit. And in the point mode, I need to do a split and then go. And let's see what happens. Commit. Okay. Commit. I want to see this. Okay, there the arrow is a little bit different looking. The arrow can have any number of wiggles and stuff, and then if I want another arrow, I again have to do the split. And then go from here to here to here. And again, we can see it. All right. I think that at this stage, you've got the idea of, building a chart. There are some flaws with this. The flaw is that, okay, if I, let's say, move my observer, the arrow doesn't follow. We can fix that, but I'll show that to you in a later video. I hope you enjoyed this and start doing your little silly charts. Thank you and have a nice day.